When it comes to hair growth remedies, the more natural, the better. Now that we're more aware of the harmful substances that are often included in commercial hair products, more and more of us are choosing to use plant-based alternatives with very few, if any, added chemicals or preservatives. One of the more popular natural hair growth remedies is guava leaves. Guava leaves come from the guava tree, a tropical tree that originates in Central America. You might be more familiar with the guava fruit, but the leaves of guava trees have been used as an herbal medicine for years, with many people drinking guava leaf tea to enjoy the health benefits it provides. More recently, guava leaf extract has become a popular supplement and is sold in a number of health stores. Click here to purchase it online. So, how exactly can guava leaves promote hair growth in people who are experiencing hair loss? It's thought that hair loss is a direct result of unhealthy scalp conditions. It makes sense when you think about it. Just as unhealthy skin gives way to acne and excess oil production, an unhealthy scalp produces less hair than normal. Guava leaves have a whole host of analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that have made it particularly popular as a natural remedy for maintaining scalp health. You might have seen them as an ingredient in hair rinses that are designed to treat scalp issues like dandruff. Guava leaves are rich in B vitamins, which nourish the follicles and promote faster hair growth. Additionally, the vitamin C content in guava leaves is beneficial to hair in a number of ways. Mainly, it helps the body to build hair proteins and strengthen the skin that contains your hair roots. It can also prevent hair follicle damage, helping hair to retain its thickness, and slows down hair graying. The antioxidant properties of guava leaves prevent free radical damage, which can kill hair cells. Keeping free radical damage at bay helps hair cells at the scalp to remain healthy and prosperous, encouraging the production of more hair. So, how can you use guava leaves for hair growth? Many benefits of using guava leaves on your hair are backed by science, so it's worth giving the remedy a go for yourself if you're looking to give your hair a growth kick. Not only do guava leaves promote soft and lustrous-looking hair, they should also thicken the volume of your hair by encouraging healthy hair growth all over your scalp. The simplest solution to make at home using guava leaves is a DIY hair lotion. Follow these steps if you're looking to try out guava leaves for their hair growth benefits. 1. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a handful of guava leaves, as well as a liter of water, a pot for boiling, and a strainer. 2. Once you have your ingredients together, simply add the water to the pot and put it on the stove, bringing it to a boil. Drop the guava leaves into the boiling water and let it continue to boil for 20 minutes. 3. When the time is up, strain the liquid and let it cool. You've now created your guava leaf DIY lotion. 4. Next, you'll need to apply the lotion to your hair. It's a good idea to shampoo first, then wait for your hair to become almost completely dry before sectioning it off and applying the lotion. 5. Make sure to massage the lotion well into your scalp for at least 10 minutes, ensuring that all of your hair is saturated with it. Giving your head a good massage will improve blood pressure, which helps the follicles receive more nutrition and ultimately results in healthy hair growth. Pay extra attention to your roots and tips when you apply the solution. 6. You can then leave the lotion on your hair for up to 2 hours. For extra benefits, you might want to wrap your hair in a towel and sleep with the solution in your hair. 7. Finally, remove the towel from your head and rinse the lotion out of your hair with lukewarm water. If you think you're experiencing more hair loss than usual, you'll probably want to apply this guava leaf lotion 3 times a week. If you're simply using it to speed up hair growth and keep your hair shiny, using it once or twice a week should be fine. So, where can you buy guava leaves? Unless you're lucky enough to live in a part of the world where there are guava leaves aplenty, you're more likely to find them in health stores, and you can also buy fresh and dried leaves online. Click here to find them. Guava leaves are one of the best hair growth remedies of today, and the great thing about them is that they're completely natural. If you have a sensitive scalp, guava leaves won't cause itching or inflammation. In fact, they'll soothe your scalp and help it to maintain a good level of health, reducing oiliness and dandruff. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 health benefits of guava leaves. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.